In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use line spacing in Microsoft PowerPoint. Line spacing controls the amount of space between lines of text, and getting it right can make your slides look neat, clear, and professional. It's especially helpful when you're working with paragraphs or bullet points and want everything to be easy to read at a glance. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. These steps work the same on both Windows and Mac, so you can follow along on either. Once PowerPoint is open, load the presentation you want to edit so you can see your slides in front of you. Click the text box that contains the text you want to adjust. If you only want to change a few lines, click and drag to highlight just that portion. If you want the change to apply to all the text in the box, make sure everything inside that text box is selected. This gives you control over whether you're fine-tuning a small section or setting a consistent look for a whole block of text. Now go to the Home tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. In the Paragraph section, look for the line spacing icon. It looks like stacked horizontal lines with arrows pointing up and down. Click it to open your spacing options. You'll see several preset choices including single spacing, 1.0, 1.5, and double. Select one to instantly update the spacing between your lines. PowerPoint immediately reflects your choice on the slide, so you can quickly judge whether your text feels open and readable or a bit too tight. If you want more precise control, choose line spacing options at the bottom of that menu. This opens the paragraph settings window. Here, you can enter exact spacing values for line spacing, and you can also add space before or after paragraphs. This is particularly useful for bullet lists or multi-paragraph text where you want a little breathing room between items without adding extra blank lines. Small adjustments, like a modest space after paragraphs, can help your content feel organized and balanced. When you're satisfied with the settings, click OK to apply the changes. Your text should now look cleaner and easier to follow. If something feels off, just return to the same controls and tweak the values until the spacing matches the tone and density of your slide content. Using thoughtful line spacing is a quick way to improve readability and polish your presentation's overall look. It prevents crowding, guides the viewer's eye, and helps your message land clearly. That's how you use line spacing in Microsoft PowerPoint. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next class.